Well, it's come to my attention, unfortunately, since I took that one tiny potato out of that sack, that the plant died. So I'm going to have to get the rest of the potatoes out and reuse the soil and do it right now. Don't have a pause button. It's not a video camera. Hold on. And I did water this time. Remember last time we went in by the door and it didn't work, so I'm digging. Please, please let there be. Oh my. It's 2, 3. How deep do these puppies go? Oh. Oh my goodness. 5. Can't even imagine what the healthy ones are producing. This is bonkers. I feel like I should just tip it out, make this quick. And then I've got to clean up all the soil. All right. You guys. No way. You know what? I'm going to put it back in the bag and sift. And try to make this as quick as I can. Or maybe now's a good time to stop and I'll just do another video. See? It died. Oh, there's the tiniest potatoes. I mean tiny. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm dreaming over this right now. I wonder, with a dirty finger, can I press pause? Oh no, let's try. Or stop.